Hello guys again and welcome back to another unboxing, reviewing and testing, and today I have the Silvercrest hand blender set for blending, pureeing and chopping. It is a kitchen tool, variable speed settings, 600 watt powerful motor, includes 5 recipes ideas, 150 centimeters it is the cable length, rust free stainless steel, 3 years warranty, turbo boost button for powerful pulse blending, blender hand and whisk made from a high quality stainless steel. And let's open it to see what we have inside and how we can use it. And inside, of course, we're gonna find out the manual. As usual, if you want to read it is your choice, but stay with me, I'm gonna find out all about this product. Now here we've got the whisk, the blender. This is the attachment for the whisk. We can see we've got the lock and lock, and it locks, and then you can insert the whisk, just press, and that was all. Easy installation, unlock, and just install the blender. Rotate and locks. Here we've got the on-off switch, the turbo button, and of course we've got the speed control from minimum to maximum. Perfect. The cable, it is 1.5 meters. And we've got in this container, it is from 0 to 700 ml maximum. It is plastic, and of course we've got in this cap at the base, and just storage at your fridge. Very convenient, goes at the base, and of course you can use it for whisk and blending. It is 600 watt of motor. I like it. You can hold it very well. You can hold it just like that, and with your hand pressing the buttons, just turn it on, and the turbo mode. Nice hand grip, I like it. It is quite heavy, definitely it feels well manufactured. Nice construction. There is a blade inside. Blender hand and whisk made from high quality stainless steel, and definitely these blades can cut very well. Oh, nice all that. We've got the Silvercrest logo at the front, 600 watt, the blender and the whisk, some icons, and I think let's move on for blending and whisk. Okay, now I'm going to use the blender first, and I've got the beetroot, carrots, potatoes, and onion for blending. Oh, let's put it everything at the container. Yummy, yummy vegetables, healthy food. And of course, we've got the on-off switch, and you can control it with your finger here. Just press the on-off button and control the speed. You can do that with one finger. Okay, let's start at the middle. And of course we've got on the boost button. Maximum now. Turbo. Now it is in maximum speed and turbo. You can press simultaneously the two buttons. Nice mixing. Olive oil, salt, and mixing again. working on a maximum speed and turbo. Well, let's taste it. It looks great. Yummy, and it tastes great. Healthy food. And of course you can use it for other ingredients and for meat, chicken, whatever you want. Definitely it will do the job. Let's take this out, and of course we've got the plastic. You can cover and store it at the fridge. Now to clean your blender and the container better, very easy, you need water only. And there you've got a clean blender. You can clean it up at your water supply. And clean it very well. Empty that. And next we've got fruits for making a smoothie. Nice. Everything at the container. Orange, apple, banana. Yummy. Like it. So healthy. Okay. Okay, small amount of milk. Just help the blender to make better job. Be patient, it will do the job, don't worry. Small amount of honey. And of course we can decrease the speed, middle, turbo. Nice, like it. And let's try it. Wow, it is amazing. 2 drops of ice, 2 cubes, and again. No problem, and with the ice, it can blend it. Wow. So healthy, I will spoil myself. And again, same cleaning process. So clean. Now I've got these eggs and I need to do a Marigold, and I will use the whisk, but I need to remove the yolk from the egg white. Let me show you a trick. Take one bottle, just press it. Oh, come on, come on, come on. Oh yeah. And I don't need that. Same goes and for the other eggs. Oh, definitely I need
a better bottle, thicker. Come on. Okay. Perfect. Okay, let's put everything inside here. We need only the egg white for the Marigold. Unlock, install the whisk, and press and lock. Okay, let's start with a slow speed first. Slower. Faster. And turbo. Okay, and after 4 to 5 minutes, it is ready. Yep. Perfect. As much as you're blending with a whisk, the Marigold, it will be thicker. It depends how much time you are shaking with a whisk, and you will have a thicker results. And of course, you can do an omelette with this yolk. It is your choice. Well, guys, that was all about. If that is for blending vegetable, meat, chicken, or make your favorite smoothies, or you can do some sweet, a cake, and you need the Marigold. Definitely this blender that it costs only 18 euros, it will do the job without a doubt. With adjustable speed and turbo mode, you will have a great result. Well, guys, that was all about. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It takes only 1 second. Press the subscribe button and share this video. You never know who may need it. And hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.